Alright, in this video, I'll be discussing 21 unconventional side hustles for 2024, and beyond that aren't widely talked about. Many lucrative side gigs require hard work or come with a certain dirty aspect that not everyone is willing to undertake. However, if you're someone unafraid to roll up your sleeves and put in the effort, there's a plethora of opportunities available. I've invested extensive time with 148 pages of research to compile a list of 21 such side hustles. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Starting with number 1 on the list, we have the roadkill collector. Surprisingly, this is a real job with some individuals making 6 figures annually. It involves being on call to pick up and dispose of roadkill reported by the public. While not a job for animal lovers, it requires a strong stomach, independence, and knowledge of local wildlife. It's undoubtedly a job few want to do, earning a 6 out of 10 on the overall opportunity score. Moving on to the next one, we have the graffiti removal specialist. This role focuses on professionally cleaning and restoring public spaces by erasing unauthorized graffiti using specialized techniques and products. It's akin to being an eraser for a city's coloring book. Some professionals charge $500 for about 45 minutes of work. This side hustle also requires being on call and some basic equipment like a pressure washer and cleaning supplies. Given its potential, it scores a 7 out of 10 on the opportunity scale. Next up is making YouTube videos as a side hustle. YouTube can be a lucrative and rewarding side hustle that involves creating and uploading videos to the platform. As a content creator on YouTube, you can share your expertise, interests, or creativity with a global audience. YouTube allows individuals to create a wide range of content, including tutorials, vlogs, educational videos, entertainment, and more. Your content can be tailored to your interests, skills, and expertise. The following option on the list involves becoming a lawn care specialist, a straightforward role that includes mowing lawns and using a weed whacker to address various weeds. Surprisingly, there are lawn care businesses making tens of thousands annually, often originating as small operations mowing a few lawns. Many lawn care services charge around $1 per minute or $60 per hour. Basic lawn care tools, which can be rented or purchased for a few $100s, are necessary. This option is solid and worth exploring for extra income, earning a 7 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Additionally, I'll include another option on this list that isn't necessarily dirty, but might not appeal to everyone, and anything IT related. Installing computers, fixing issues, and other IT tasks can be lucrative, requiring technical expertise and possibly some equipment. Numerous IT-related businesses make 6 figures annually, making it a valuable side hustle. For those interested in starting with a job, free IT training resources are available in the description and pinned comment below. Moving on, a junk removal service is the next option, surprisingly lucrative as it offers clutter clearing services, helping clients declutter spaces by responsibly removing unwanted items. Not only do you get paid for removing the junk, but you may also get paid to transport it from one location to another, be it a storage unit or another disposal point. In some cases, clients may even give away valuable items for free. This opportunity may require a truck or van, rentable, along with sturdy gloves, making it a straightforward venture to start. The opportunity score for this option is an impressive 8 out of 10. The next one on the list is a house cleaner, focusing on a specific niche within house cleaning, carpets and beds. Specialized equipment is needed for this type of cleaning, making it more challenging, but also more lucrative. Many carpet and bed cleaning businesses make over 6 figures yearly. While specialized equipment requires an investment, a few $100s to buy, or even less to rent, the potential earnings make it a worthwhile venture. This option receives an opportunity score of 8 out of 10. The next one on the list is a gutter cleaner, responsible for removing debris and obstructions from gutters to ensure proper water drainage and prevent potential property damage. Gutter cleaners can often charge $50 to $100 per hour, and hiring individuals for the job at around $4 an hour is feasible. The necessary tools are a ladder, gloves, and a gutter scooper. This is another promising opportunity, earning a 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Next, we have a pool cleaner, a role centered around maintaining optimal water quality and a clean swimming environment. People with pools typically have the means to spend more, making pool cleaning businesses quite lucrative. There are instances of individuals gaining significant online following by showcasing their pool cleaning work. While starting may require equipment like skimmers, vacuums, and test kits, it holds considerable potential, earning an 8.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. The next opportunity is a home painting business, involving both exterior and interior painting. This venture has proven lucrative for many, with examples of individuals generating substantial revenue within a short period. It's relatively easy to hire and train people for this business, earning it a 7.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Another option is picking up trash, a straightforward yet potentially lucrative venture. There are stories of individuals making over $600,000 per year with waste disposal businesses. While it may seem mundane, the lack of interest from many people creates ample opportunities for those willing to do the work. This option earns an 8 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Next on the list is curb address painting, where house numbers are painted on curbs to enhance visibility for emergency services, delivery personnel, and visitors. This has gained attention on social media, and there are instances of young entrepreneurs finding success in this venture. While not as lucrative as some other options, it is easy to start with just spray paint and cutouts of letters and numbers, earning it a 7 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now, let's get back to the video. The next option on the list is appliance repair, involving the diagnosis and repair of faulty household appliances, such as refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers. The aim is to restore functionality, saving homeowners the cost of replacement. This role is akin to being a doctor for appliances. According to Indeed.com, appliance repairmen earn an average of $27 per hour, though this includes employees. Starting your own business in this field can likely yield higher earnings. If you possess good repair skills, this presents a great opportunity, earning an 8 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Next up, a surprising yet highly effective side hustle is trash can cleaning. Trash cans can become unsanitary and attract bacteria and insects. People hire individuals to clean their garbage cans once or twice a week, providing a recurring revenue stream. A 13-year-old nicknamed the Garbage Kid found success in this side hustle, with an average price of $10 per trash can. Cleaning 10 cans a day could yield a weekly income of $500, making this a surprisingly lucrative option with an 8.5 out of 10 opportunity score. Another unique opportunity is sofa cleaning, addressing the challenge of keeping sofas clean without causing damage. Specialized equipment is used for this task, with professionals charging around $500 to steam clean a sofa. Even at a minimum charge of $150 to $300 per job, cleaning 3 sofas a day could result in a substantial annual income, potentially exceeding 6 figures. Similar to rug or bed cleaning, normal cleaning companies often don't offer these services, making it a valuable niche with an 8 out of 10 opportunity score. The next potential side hustle involves mailbox installation or repair. Individuals may need mailbox repairs or replacements, providing an opportunity for profit. You can also upsell by offering fancier mailbox options. On average, repairing a mailbox costs $60 to $380. While it may take some time to establish, relying on word of mouth and referrals, it offers a decent opportunity with a 6.5 out of 10 score. A highly lucrative option for the tech-savvy is mobile phone repair. This field addresses common issues like cracked screens, slow performance, and battery problems. The demand is significant, with stories of individuals starting multi-million-dollar businesses. Mobile phone repair can be highly profitable, with people charging a substantial amount for relatively simple fixes. This opportunity scores a 9 out of 10 for its potential. The next venture on the list involves becoming a garage organizer. Many people struggle with messy garages, and if you possess a knack for organization and cleaning, you can capitalize on this by sorting, decluttering, and implementing efficient storage solutions in garages. This not only creates more space, but also enhances the overall appearance. CNBC Make It features a story of a 40-year-old mover who transitioned from working 6 jobs to earning $109,000 a year as a garage organizer. On average, garage organizers make $50 to $85 per hour, making it a lucrative yet hands-on opportunity. While finding clients might be a bit challenging due to the hidden nature of garage messiness, the potential is significant, earning an 8.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. Moving on, an unconventional but surprisingly profitable side hustle is pet waste removal. This involves going to someone's yard and clearing away pet waste, often on a weekly or monthly basis. While not as lucrative as some other options, the ease of starting and the potential for recurring income make it a decent choice, earning a 6 out of 10 on the opportunity score. The next opportunity is mobile car detailing or washing. This entails cleaning the inside or outside of cars, and offering these services on a mobile basis enhances convenience. The potential earnings are substantial, with examples of businesses making $240,000 per year. While requiring specialized equipment and a vehicle, the lucrative nature of the business gives it a 9 out of 10 on the opportunity score. A unique but surprisingly profitable venture is an environmentally friendly diaper service. This involves weekly home delivery of compostable diapers and wipes, with the collection and disposal of the used items. The service can yield monthly recurring revenue, making it a steady income stream. Despite the niche nature and the potentially unpleasant task, the opportunity score is a 6 out of 10. Now, let's explore furniture restoration, which includes repairing, refurbishing, and enhancing the appearance of old or damaged furniture. This could involve picking up discarded furniture, repairing it, and reselling it. While requiring craftsmanship and potentially less profitable than some other options, it's a via opportunity, especially in affluent neighborhoods, earning a 6.5 out of 10 on the opportunity score. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.